Absolutely, an individual can apply for Social Security benefits while they are still working. However, there are certain rules that are set by federal law to determine whether you can or cannot do so. First, an individual must be making less than what Social Security refers to as substantial gainful employment income. The way that works is that an individual making more than, and it's a little more than $1,000 a month gross before taxes, and if they're able to sustain that type of income, even if it's not for full-time work, typically is going to prohibit them from applying for disability. So the normal, short and fast rule is if you're making less than $1,000 before taxes, your gross income per month, you can apply for Social Security benefits even while you're working. Trantolo & Trantolo has had many clients that are working in a part-time capacity that have still been able to go through the process and win benefits. So there is nothing stopping you from doing so. One point I would like to make, though, is that a judge that is determining your case is trying to figure out whether you could do, whether it's any type of work or certain types of work in the national economy, and trying to make that decision when they hear your case. So if an individual is doing a job part-time, it could affect the judge's determination on whether they can do other work full-time. And I'll give you a kind of a ridiculous example that I often use with clients. If an individual has a back problem, a debilitating back problem that prevents them from working, and they're 30 years old, the judge would ask, are you working? The individual would say, yes, I am. Well, how much do you work? 10 hours a week. What do you do? I'm the middle linebacker for the New England Patriots. If you can do that job part-time, you can probably do a desk job full-time. So what you're doing for work, the type of activities you're doing, and how much you're earning can drastically impact your ability to win a case, whether or not you're technically able to apply if you're making less than $1,000 a month, or how a judge is going to determine your ability to do other types of work.